Hi everyone, welcome back to the Agent Voice Response community channel. In our first video, we introduced the AVR. Today, I want to explain how its architecture works in the simplest way possible. Think of AVR as a bridge between phone calls and AI. A person speaks, AVR listens, processes the audio, and answers, all in real time. Here is the journey of a call. It starts in Asterisk. Asterisk sends the audio to AVR Core. AVR Core takes care of the stream and forwards it to the right AI services. First, ASR, automatic speech recognition, turns the voice into text. Then the LLM, large language model, reads the text and decides how to respond. Finally, TTS, text-to-speech, speaks the answer back to the caller. There is also an optional path, STS, speech-to-speech. This skips transcription and goes directly from speech-to-speech provider. It's faster and designed for ultra-low latency. Why is this architecture powerful? Because it's modular. You can mix cloud providers like DeepGram, Google, Gemini, OpenAI, ElevenLabs, or run everything locally with open source engines such as Vosk, Ollama, Kokoro text-to-speech, Koki text-to-speech. That means flexibility, privacy, lower cost, and full control of your voice AI stack. That's AVR in a nutshell, a simple, flexible way to build real-time voice agents. In the next videos, we will dive into providers, configurations, and real demos. Don't forget to subscribe, join our Discord, and be part of the community. See you soon. Bye bye.